Hey everyone, this is Julia from WDIR. Today, we're continuing our coverage of virtual cards in B2B payments. This video dives into the frictions of virtual cards and how B2B payments leaders can enable greater adoption of virtual cards through a user-centric lens. Let's jump right in. One of the main sources of friction in virtual card solutions is the complexity and inconsistency of the payment process. Depending on the type and method of the virtual card, the user may have to go through different steps and interfaces to complete the payment. For example, the user may have to switch between different apps or platforms, enter or scan multiple codes or numbers, or wait for confirmation or approval messages. These steps can be confusing, time-consuming, and error-prone, and can deter the user from using virtual cards. Excellent UX can reduce the friction in virtual card solutions by simplifying and standardizing the payment process and by providing clear and consistent guidance and feedback to the user. Here's the UX advantage. Simplify the payment process by reducing the number of steps and inputs required, and by automating or pre-filling the information whenever possible. Standardize the payment process by using common and familiar elements and patterns across different types of and methods of virtual cards. Guides the user through the payment process by providing clear and consistent instructions, labels, and icons, and by highlighting the important and relevant information. This guidance can also be done with cues, hints, and suggestions, and by validating the user inputs and choices. Provide feedback to the user during and after the payment process by showing the progress, status, and outcome of the payment, and by acknowledging and appreciating the user's actions. Another source of friction in virtual card solutions is the lack of relevance and value for the user. Depending on the industry and the business model, the user may have different needs, challenges, and opportunities in their B2B payments. For example, the user may have different payment frequency, volume, amount, or complexity, or they may have different compliance, regulatory, or contractual requirements. Therefore, the user may not see how virtual cards can help them improve their payment performance and experience. To increase virtual card adoption, you can showcase the use cases and benefits of virtual cards in different industries by providing specific and relevant examples and scenarios, and by highlighting the impact and the outcomes of using virtual cards. Compelling stories are key here. Use the framework of problem, solution, and impact. The more you can quantify your stories, the better. Let's look at healthcare, for example. You can show how virtual cards can help healthcare providers simplify and secure their complex and sensitive payment processes, such as claims, reimbursements, or refunds. You can also show how virtual cards can help healthcare providers to improve their cash flow and liquidity, and to reduce their administrative and operational costs. In the next video, we'll go into more detail into this problem, solution, and impact framework in different industries. Thanks for joining me today. Please like, comment, and share this video.